Good evening, all of you. Can you see the question number 83 in your screen? 83 in your screen. 85 already done. 83 in your screen. Okay. 83, question number 83 in your screen. This is not a live session. I'm not teaching you live. Actually, I have a work in the evening. So I thought I'll record and upload. But I will be able to see the comments and answers which you are giving. Okay. And so those who are doing in the recorded session, they can also give the answers in the comment section. I'll reply in the comment section live as well as this one. Okay. So please cooperate. And question number 83. Okay. 83, this actually comes in our ethics. Ethics. Please read it. Okay. Then options I'll give you. Options A, B, C, D. Okay. Option, you can see, 1 and 4, 2 and 4. Okay. This is an NDA 2016 question. Okay. Utilitarians. Okay. Option 3, 1, 2, 4. Okay. Don't feel it is difficult. Some rare they're asking this question, but all these are there in the NCERT. Okay. So NCERT pado and pass or job. Yeah. Question number 83 in your screen. Okay. 83, 85 we have done. No need to do that. Okay. Yeah, if the video is going fast, you can pass it and then you can see that also. Question number 86 also you have to answer. Question number 86 in your screen. 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 Question number 86. 86. Okay. Then question number 84. All these are from NCERT. Question number 84. Question number 84. Question number 84. Yeah, this is a current affairs. No need to also, but this kind of question is coming. Australian Open. Okay, who can tell me recently Wimbledon? No, Wimbledon. No, not Wimbledon. US Open. I think US Open one teen girl. Right. She won. She's just 18 or 19. Okay. So likewise, try to find out all the Open, US Open, Wimbledon, Australian Open. Question can come from that. Okay. Just find out singles and that will be fine. Yeah, question number 84 in your screen. Question number 84 in your screen. Yeah, answer it. Answer. Everybody has to answer. Okay, everybody has to answer. Then only you will participate. At least you will read the question. You don't wait for me to give the answers. Straight away, read this question number 88. Very good question. Okay. Question number 88. Very good question. 89. Look at this. Mediterranean climate. Definitely it is coming. Okay. Every question we take, Mediterranean climate, one question is there. Question number 88 and 88, 91. Both question you can answer. 88 and 91. Both question you can answer. 88 and 91 in the screen. Yeah. Question number 92 in your screen. Question number 92 in your screen. Question number 92 in your screen. Question number 92. Read the question properly and take the notes properly. Okay. You need not write the question as such. Okay, but you have to write the concept which I'm teaching. Okay. And Monday comes, I'll be asking questions from the questions which I have already taken. That means since 28 August, we are doing this question session. No. So whatever questions we have taken from there randomly, I'll take and let me see how much you are able to remember it and you are able to recollect it. We'll see that. Okay. So that means you have to revise it. All the videos, either you go through the videos or you go through the notes which you have taken. Will be very useful. So we have to analyze where are we, and question number 93 also you can answer. Question number 93 in your screen. Question number 93 in your screen. Question number 93. Options I'll give you. Okay, yeah. Option C is still C, it is there. D I'll give you. Option D is 1, 2, 4. Option D is 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Option D. Okay, read the question properly, then you have to answer. Read the question properly, and then you answer. read the answer properly. Question. Okay, answer properly. You can do a lot of guessworks and all. Okay. Guesswork and all you can do. You can do some common sense. Okay, like that and not allowed. Yeah. The people who are doing preparing for ND chemistry, madam has uploaded a lot of chemistry questions also in our YouTube channel. Please go through that. I'll also release it occasionally. More. Okay, physics, chemistry. Those preparing for civil service. Okay, you have to revise more and more. Okay, more and more. Okay, for civil service, physics and chemistry are not much, but biology questions are coming. Okay, okay, biology questions. For example, this question number 101. Question number 101. Okay, so if you see this sessions properly, I'm expecting 30 to 40% of your questions from the social subject, that is history, geography, polity. All this should be done. Okay, you can see there's a trend. It's like a Mediterranean climate, they're asking again and again. Yeah, question number, question number 105. All questions are very big questions. Question number 105 in your screen. 105 in your screen. Okay, these are from the NCERT. See, for this, I have not taken live for some people. Okay, but I have added in our app. Okay, whatever videos are there in our mobile app. Okay, all has to be completed before your exam. Okay, don't come and tell me that, sir, I didn't do that. Question has come. Okay, all the recorded videos. Okay, all the recorded videos you have to go through. Okay, at least 3 times. Yes, 3 times. Question number 115, and option D, I will tell you for you. Okay, option D. Option D. If the question I'm moving it fast, please pass it and you read it. You take your time, but not more than 2 minutes. The random rule is that you cannot spend more than 2 minutes for a single question. For a single question. Okay. Then comes 114. It is partly here and partly that side. So read this content properly. Okay, then I will show you this content. Okay. Yeah, first see this content properly. New economic policy for Soviet Union. Then please see this. Okay. Yeah, if you want, you can pass it and see this also. Okay. Pass it and under your control. Everything is under your control. Okay, 10. Yeah, question number 116 in your screen. Question number 116. Okay, all the questions are coming from world history. Okay, question number 116. Please read this. Options I'll give you. Options I'll give you. Options. One is option A is 1 and 3. Option B is 1 and 2. Option C 1, 3, and 4. And option D 3 and 4. 3 and 4. You don't think that you don't know all this. Please read it. Please read it. Please read it. Okay. Please read this. Okay. This question, possible that they can ask this question as such. Okay. Question number 118 is also on your screen. You can go through that as well. Okay. Question number 118. Question number 118. 118, easy question. Okay. 118, 116 and 118 both has to be answered. Question number 119. Question number 119, 120. 119, 120. 119, 120. 120. I can also read question number 117, which I'm going to give you. Okay, options. 117, 117. Okay, all of you have to answer. Don't simply sit. Don't wait for my answers. Okay, so 2 days. Okay, today and tomorrow. Okay, it's a time for you to go through the missed video. If you have missed any video since 28th August, you have to go through it and take the notes and send to me. Then only, okay, I'll allow it to the class. Okay, that is good for you. See, you take part, you answer, you revise. Okay, okay, this is done. Question number 117, you start reading. Question number 117. Question number 117. Half is here. Okay, remaining half is here. Options only here. Okay, 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 and okay. Question number 117. Question number 117. Okay, now let us start the explanation from here itself. Yeah, question number 120. Okay, the word industrial revolution. Okay, okay, was first popularized by. Okay, okay, who can tell me when industrial revolution started and where it started? When and where it started? When and where industrial revolution started? Okay, when and where industrial revolution started? One minute, I got confused. Yeah, when and where? Okay, this started. Okay, the answer here would be answer is B. Okay, Amold Toynbee. Okay, Tony Wheeler, Toynbee. Amold Toynbee. Okay, question number 117 in your screen. Okay, for the question number 117, the British colonies continued to grow steadily in the 18th and 19th century. Okay, 18th century. Then you got raw cotton for the textile industry in Britain during the industrial revolution needed to be imported. That is definitely true. India was one such source for raw materials. Okay, definitely that is true. Okay, so second statement is definitely true. What about the first statement? The British colony continued to grow steadily in the 18th, 19th century. That is also true. Okay, British colonization, that means they continue to colonize more. Okay, so both the statements are correct. Please write down in your notes. Please write down in your notes. Okay, British colonization or colonizing continued to grow steady in the 18th and 19th century. Okay, then raw cotton for the textile industry in British during the industrial revolution needed to be imported. Yes, of course, it was from India or from US they'll import. Okay. Then question number 119. Question number 119. Okay. Jyotirao Phule or Jyotiba Phule. Okay. He wrote a book called Gulamgiri. This I have to sell a lot of time. Gulamgiri. Okay. He was starting an organization for anti-caste. Okay. Anti-caste. Okay. He wanted to uplift the marginalized, vulnerable section of the society. Okay. So here the answer is Satya Sodak. Satya Sodak Samaj only, started by Jyotira Phule, who will tell me these things. Okay. Pratna Samaj, Bahujan Samaj, Justice Party. These also we have taken recently. Okay, in the question session we have discussed. I think Bahujan Samaj we might have not. Okay, but other things we have done. Pratna Samaj, please comment. Okay, Justice Party, please comment who founded this. Okay, Bahujan, I will give you the answer. Bahujan Samaj. Okay. Actually, if I'm looking for, they're only giving Bahujan Samaj Party. I don't know whether it's the same. Let me check it. Yeah. Otherwise, you also check it. These things you should be able to answer. Okay. Then easy question number 118. 118 easy question. Okay. Neel Darpan. Neel Darpan, basically, Neel is an indigo. Okay. So this is an revolt, or you can say it actually reflected the hardships by the indigo revolt people. Means indigo blue rebellion, indigo rebellion, you can say. No, so actually indigo was not beneficial for the farmers. They were forced cultivated. There was some system. Who can tell me the system by which third of the 28 means 20 acres you got, 3 acres you have to devote for indigo. Okay, that system was there. Name of the system, what was the system? Okay, here, who is the author of this book? Okay, author of the book. This book is written by Deen Bandhu Mitra. Deen Bandhu Mitra or Deen Bandhu Mitra. Okay. Now, once they asked who translated this into English, also one question was there. So this is again one hot topic for the UPSC to ask this question. Okay, Deen Bandhu Mitra. Okay, Deen Bandhu Mitra. Deen Bandhu Mitra. Okay, Neel Darpan, which reflects the problems of the indigo planters, indigo farmers. Okay, question number 116. Question number 116. What is this? The Industrial Revolution in England has profound impact in the lives of the people. Yes, which of the following statement are correct? Women were main workers in the silk, lace making and knitting industries. This is absolutely correct, sir. Okay, please copy down. Industrial Revolution in England, women were the main workers in silk industries, lace making and knitting industries. Okay, factory managers were well aware of the health risk of the industrial work of the children. Okay, that may not be true. Okay, children were worked. Okay, they were not given any protection. Today they are a developed nation. They are talking about protection about the children, all this. But this was there. But this, so they were well aware. I don't think that was, they did not do anything. So that is removed. Okay. Then children were often employed in the textile drum factories. That is true. The novel Hard Times by Charles Dickens was a severe critic of the horrors of the industrialization. This is also correct. Okay. So option will be 1, 2 should not be there. Okay. See, one trick I'll tell you, when I'm marking A or B as my answer, I have to make sure that others are not answer. For example, in this case, I am going to mark C as answer. Okay. And you have to question yourself, like, why A should not be the answer? Okay. Why A should not be the answer? Because this is correct. So correct statement. This is correct. Okay. Fourth is correct, which is not mentioned. That is why I'm not marking. So you tell yourself, you convince yourself that this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. So this is another cross check you can do. Okay. So very important mantra of the day is, when you're answering one option as answer, you have to check that other options are not the answer. Other options are not the answer. See, great. Go. Okay, please take down that as a notes. Okay, it's very vital information. Question number 114. Question number 114. Okay, private retail trading was strictly forbidden. Okay, Lenin. Okay, so Lenin means socialism, you know. Okay, socialism. So only government can do. Okay, so this can be true. Private enterprise was strictly forbidden. This can also be true. Okay, then we had peasants were not allowed to sell their surplus. Peasants were not allowed to sell their surplus. To secure liquid capital, concessions were allowed to foreign capitals, but the state retained the option of purchasing the products of such concessions. Okay, this is correct. Okay, this is correct. Other options should also be correct. Let me cross check it. Which are the following were the features of Lenin new economic policy? Private retail trading was strictly prohibited. Private retail trading. Retail trading, I think that should be there. Okay. Retail trading, not production. Okay. Okay. Production is not there, but retail trading is possible. Okay. Retail trading was possible. No, strictly prohibited is wrong. Okay. Private enterprises were strictly forbidden. This should be correct. Okay. So option should be 2 and 4. 2 and 4, but 1 is wrong. Okay. So ancient peasants were not allowed to sell the surplus. Okay. They were allowed to sell the surplus. This is also clear. Okay. So we'll go for answers D. Okay. 4 only correct. Please write on this properly. Okay. All this. Okay. Some questions are so tough that you can't do anything. Okay. But learn from now onwards. Question number 101 in your screen. Okay. The plant having yellow leaves with the dead spots have the deficiency of potassium. Deficiency of potassium. Deficiency of potassium. Where is that question? Yeah. Then this one we have seen. Then we go to next set of questions. Yeah. Which of the following statement concerning scheduled caste population in India is correct? They're asking for correct. The highest percentage of SC population out of total population of the state is found in Punjab. Okay, I think that is correct. Okay. As far as Punjab is concerned, right down they have 0 ST population. Okay, scheduled tribes 0%. Okay, but they have highest SC population. So this is correct. Okay, statement is correct. Bihar is the second largest state in the respect of local SC population. This we have to wait and see. Uttar Pradesh has the highest number of SC population in India. Okay, in terms of percentage, almost 90 or 90 plus percentage. Okay, okay, but in the quantity, that is absolute term. Okay, absolute term. Uttar Pradesh has got highest number of SC population. It should be correct because already Uttar Pradesh has got the highest population. So that can be a correct statement. Among the Indian state, the lowest percentage of SC population out of the total population of the state is found in Goa. Goa. Okay, that is not correct. Okay, who can tell me correct answer for this and this? Okay, please comment that. If you don't know, don't worry. I'll tell you in the next class. Okay, please find out that also. But as a curiosity, you can find it out. Okay, but write down. This should be correct. First statement is correct, and the third statement is correct. Okay, I'm gonna rainbow. Answer is B. Answer is B. Okay, answer is B. And this is correct. Okay, and this is correct. Okay, question number 92 in terms of decreasing order of their total area under forest cover. Okay, under forest cover, decreasing order means larger should come first. Larger should come first. Okay, so it's an absolute term. They're not talking about percentage. Okay, out of that total area under the forest cover. Okay, so we can go for larger state. Okay, Madhya Pradesh should be first. Madhya Pradesh should be first. In that case, you can remove this 2. Okay, now 3 or 2. 3 or 2. 3 or 2. Okay, 2 is there. Okay, Chhattisgarh, right? Okay, I think it is not as big. Okay, we'll go for Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, Arunachal Pradesh. 1 minute. Madhya Pradesh 1. Okay. Yeah, we'll go for Arunachal Pradesh as 2 option. Okay. Then we go for this and we go for this Jharkhand. Okay. Jharkhand, a lot of mines are there, a lot of things. Deforestation is huge. Okay. Total area will be like this. Okay. Any option like that? Yeah. Go for E. Go for E. So one logic you can reduce your error here is, even if you don't know, Madhya Pradesh should come first. Understand what is the logic? Madhya Pradesh is the largest state. Okay. Okay. So apply that logic. So automatically 50% chance is there for your answer to be correct. So every question, some logic you have to apply. Like the other question we have seen, like which has got more arable land, per capita arable land. Okay, China cannot be per capita land because China has got huge population. Okay, so like this, every session I'm giving one options. Please read that. Okay, apply that in the upcoming sessions. Question number 88. Question number 88. Okay. Indian journalist, editor. Please copy down this completely. Okay, editor. And author, he was associated with the Statesman, Guardian, Times of India. That means journalist, right? He received Ramnath Konika Lifetime Achievement Award in 2013, and he died in 2016. So this question has been asked in 2016. This question because he died. Understood? So like this, if you are getting any news item, please note it down. Please note it down. Okay. Here the answer is okay. Indra Malhotra. Okay. No need to remember this. Okay. As such. Okay. And they are not going to ask it again, but I am saying that this kind of questions are coming. Okay, that is what you have to look into it. Okay, question number 91. Okay, Mediterranean question definitely coming. Okay, if you want to read this chapter, then it is available in the book called Go Ching Liang. Go Ching Liang. Okay. So it is found in the latitude range 30 to 40 in northern and southern hemisphere. This may be correct. Okay. Mediterranean climate experiences extreme temperature condition not possible because they are mostly in the seashore, right down. Okay, the Mediterranean climate is found near the Mediterranean Sea, so extreme temperature condition not possible. Extreme temperature condition not possible. Okay, they'll have a moderate climate, right on that Mediterranean climate. See, you remember that you, for example, you are in which part of the world? You are very near to the sea. Okay, then you will not have harsh winter and harsh summer also. It will be a moderate climate. It will be a moderate climate. So second statement obviously wrong. Mediterranean climate rainfall occurs mainly during the summer season. Okay, this is also wrong. We have seen several questions that it comes in the winter season. That is a peculiarity of this climate. The peculiarity of this climate is the climate has winter rainfall. The climate has got winter rainfall. Okay, so 2 and 3 should not be there. 2 and 3 should not be there. Okay, 2 and 3 should not be there. So answer is obviously got it. Okay, without reading 4, you can get the answer. But our rule says we have to see the all the options. Mediterranean climate rainfall is during the winter season. That is correct. Okay. So even if you're getting this, again, don't jump into answering. Okay, so you always read all the options. Okay, then you decide. Okay, so that is our own rule. Correct. Okay, so answer would be B. Yeah. Who among the following invented power loom that revolutionized the cotton textile industry? That is also taken from NCERT directly. Okay, answer is A. Answer is A. Edmund Cartwright. Okay, Cartwright. Richard Arkwright is also famous for something. Who will tell me? Okay, so Australian Open, they're asking. Okay. Then question number 86. Question number 86. Question number 86. Question number 86. They're asking. Periplus in Greek word meaning. Okay, I think this is correct. Irthersian was the Greek name of Mediterranean. So this you have to check it. Okay, this I think this is wrong. Okay, answer is A. Please check it. What is this meaning? Okay, please check it. Please check it. Okay. Then comes question number 83. Okay, question number 83. Utilitarian. Utilitarian is a concept which normally we read in ethics. Okay, if you are preparing for civil service, it is a paper 4. Okay, so here utilitarians. Okay, utilitarians believe that all values derives from land. The most elaborated spokesman of utilitarian was Jeremy Bentham and John Stuart Mill. I'm sorry, I'm not able to pronounce it properly. Okay. Then we have utilitarians were advocates of idea that India could be ruled through indigenous laws and customs. This I don't think so. Okay. Utilitarians were advocates of idea of great good for the greatest number of people. This is what the meaning of utilitarian. Okay, this is the meaning of utilitarian. Okay, That means you can do anything. Okay, if it is good for somebody, it is good for men. Like for example, see something like it's a thought. Thought is like you cannot do any wrong is one thought. The other thought is you can do some wrong. Okay, if it is beneficial for many people, then you can do that wrong. Okay, so these people believe that like if you do wrong but it is benefiting many number of people, then you can do that wrong. Okay, so that is so fourth should be definitely there. Okay, so only one we can eliminate. Let me see again. Okay, the most celebrated, this is also correct. This is also correct. Okay, so this is wrong. Okay, so don't write the wrong one, only write the right one in your notes. Okay, these 2 points you will write in your notebook. Okay, so that comes to an end of this session. Please let me know how was the session. Okay, and please let me know how much you got it correct also, so that I can see your progress. Okay, only one, this Umesh is doing only, and then I can see Vidya only doing. Sometimes Litty is doing. Okay, sometimes Niji is doing, but nobody else is doing. Okay, if you do tell me how many you are getting correct, it will be very useful for me to help you out. Okay, thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.